Hey everyone, Izzy from Endless RVing. So in today's video, we're going to change it up a little bit. It's about technology. This is an official Geek Alert video. Woohoo. But even if you're not a geek, you're still going to learn something because it's not really hard to be a geek. This is really easy to use. We love it. And we're going to explain why we've been using this and why we think it would be a great fit for a lot of RVers. So if you've watched our channel, you know that I love technology and MJ loves to enjoy that technology. So we've done videos on Nest cameras, we've done videos on Ring cameras, we've done video on our smart CO smoke detector, on our internet setup. As smart as we can make this motorhome, we do it. We're the same way at home. We have the Nest thermostats at home and we can control everything. And I'm always wondering, why don't they bring that to the RV world? Why can't we have smart thermostats in the RV world? There's such an advantage for it. Number one, you can set your thermostat remotely if you want. You could also monitor your thermostat. There's just so many different things you can do with a smart thermostat. And we actually found a company that does it, and they're based right out of New Jersey. So what is the company we're talking about? Micro-Air. Now, again, if you've watched our videos, we did a full installation of their Easy Start / Soft Start. It allows us to run 2 AC units on 30 amp service. It also allows us to run 1 AC unit off of our batteries. Now, we did a full video on that. We'll link it above. But prior to even us getting that Easy Start, we had purchased, and this was, I think, like in Tampa or Hershey. This was a while ago. This is called the EasyTouch RV Thermostat. Now, what makes this smart and why did we choose this unit? Well, first of all, it's made in the USA. New Jersey-based company, everything designed and made in the USA. That was a big deal for us. Number two, it's affordable. We'll talk about the price a little bit later on. It is a direct replacement for almost every Dometic thermostat, as well as Coleman. You could see it's clean, nice clean installation. Another thing that's really important to us is excellent customer service, which Micro-Air has both on their Easy Start units as well as this. The big reason we bought this, we had been researching it, but I wanted to meet them at a show so I could discuss with the reps there and see it work, and they were super helpful, and by the end I had spent our money and bought it home. So let me read you some of the features directly from the website. So it's programmable with wireless communications, large touchscreen, which measures 3 inches in height, 3.9 in width, and 1.06 in depth. The overall dimensions is 4 inches wide, 3.5 inches in height. It's both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capable, or enabled, which is very important. We're going to talk about that later. You can control your RV AC remotely from anywhere in the world, as long as you have a Wi-Fi connection, which we do. We could be in Saudi Arabia and control our AC unit. It has a smartphone application, which we're going to show you also, that works really well. It's simple. You can set up temperature notifications. Now, this has a home and an away feature, and we're going to show you how that works. But this is great if you have pets. So if you get a unit like this, you don't need another dedicated unit because we can set low parameters and high parameters and get alerts for both. You could also set how you want to keep your temperature in your RV. It's compatible with all major RV AC thermostats, specifically Dometic and Coleman. Automatically detects system sources such as furnace, heat strip, and cooling. There's free updates right through the Wi-Fi. There's no monthly service fees, and it has a 2-year warranty. So that's like the boring part. We're just going to show you hands-on how this really works. So let's go over here to some of the features here. You see the Wi-Fi signal here that's showing you strong Wi-Fi. This, like I said, this also has Bluetooth connection. If you want to set the temperature up, you go up. Set the temperature down, you go down. Power feature, if I hit that, it will shut off. And this is also broken down into 2 zones. So we're zone number 1, which is the front. Zone number 2, you'll see is set at 71 degrees. I'll lower that down. But if I want to shut off zone number 2, I just go to power. That will shut off zone number 2. Zone number 1 is still on. Now I can also go to strictly the AC, and then if I hit the fan, I can control the different fan speeds. So right there's no fan, you just heard it go off. If I put it on, you go back over here, I put on number 1, you'll hear this kick on very shortly. And number 3, it will blow the fan as the highest possible. I am just going to keep it on auto. That way I don't have to do any of that. Settings here, here's your settings menu. You could set up your schedule events. We don't use that really, but you can set it up for turn on, shut off whenever you want. Your temperature adjust. All your updates are done right through here. This will restart everything. Then you continue going, touchscreen calibration, Bluetooth reset, brightness. This is all kind of like the really boring stuff. And then you can set Fahrenheit, your furnace controls, everything is over here Super simple to use. Now, there are updates that are pushed out. They're pushed out right through the app. If you log onto the app, it'll say you just search for an update and then it'll do its thing over here. So let's just go to the app here. It is the Easy Start app. It's downloadable on the Google Play Store, Android, sorry, I should say Google Android Play Store, and the
Google
Apple
App Store.
Apple App Store.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's back out of it. You have two ways to connect. You have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. We're going to connect with the Bluetooth because we're right here. We'll connect. We have already pre-named this Baystar 3626. You'll see it's connecting. Now, I just want you to see it matches right now what's going on the screen. So if I'm in the bedroom, I'm in the bathroom, or MJ wants to change it, she has the same app on her phone. If, say, she's really cold and she wants to raise it up, we can do that, right? We can also change if we want to put the heat pump on, and you'll see it. You see how it's reflected. It's almost instant. If we go to furnace, this will change to furnace. Let's go back to cool. That'll change to cool. Now, if I want to go to zone number 2, I just click on the zone. You see zone number 2 is off, and you see it showing reflective on the screen. If I turn this on, this should kick on very shortly, and this will adjust up to 71. If I click over here, 67, it'll start syncing itself. So that is some of the main features on here. If I go over to the settings, you can see over here where we have the settings and all the firmware. It's super simple to use. So we've had this unit now for at least 1.5 years. I'm pretty sure we bought it at Hershey, or maybe it was Tampa, I don't know.
One of the shows.
It's all like a blur now. So what is the price of this unit? $249, 2-year warranty. Now, if you're going to the Hershey show, they're going to be at booth 333. We're gonna really encourage you, take it hands-on, see how it works, ask the reps. If you're super geeky, they'll be more than happy to tell you like the workings of it. These come in both black color and white color, so let's see what it matches. But when you go to the show, where you can see, you can pull it out of the box, you can see the connections, they'll explain everything to you. So in the comments below, let us know, do you have a Micro-Air? Is it something you're interested in? We really like it, and I think every RV going forward will have it, because we like that smart technology and that ability to not only monitor the temperature inside the RV, be able to change it. If we're not in the RV, we can raise it up to 80. Once we're on our way back, we lower the temperature down to 70, and when we get in, it's really cool, right? And we don't have to waste as much energy. That's why we like it. Put in the comments below what do you think, and from myself and MJ, it's a journey of a lifetime, and we'll see you on the road.